Today I'm going to show you how you can create a perfect heart shape directly in Illustrator. First of all, we need to create a square. It's a perfect square, so you need to hold shift while you drag the square. Now we are going to create a perfect circle that has the same diameter as one of the sides of that square. Again, it needs to be perfect, so make sure you are holding the shift key. Now we are going to center that circle with that side, and we are going to make sure it is perfectly aligned. We're going to do the same with a adjacent side. Please make sure Smart Guys is activated. For that you can press Ctrl U. Now we are going to group them and rotate them 45 degrees to the right or to the left. Now we have a heart. Now to create a single shape, we are going to select all those shapes, go to the pathfinder and click on merge. Now you can deactivate the outlines of the shape and change its colors. And you have it. This is a perfect heart created directly in Photoshop. That's not right, this is Illustrator. Goodbye.